Alright, so here we are at work. I got to put the new clutch in today. I got a stage 3. Hopefully that'll be enough, because there's no way I'm pushing the fucking pedal down on a stage 4 with this, you know, regular hydraulic manual shit clutch. Take me about 45 minutes to get the motor out. It was making a little weird noise, little vibration, ever since I got the car. So I need to figure out what that is, because I'm tired of that. But there's not a huge amount of work here. Maybe 3-4 hours. I'll do a couple other things, replace the filter and stuff like that. I forgot my oil, so I'll have to do that oil change at home. It's a sexy beast, and it's going to be a fast motherfucker when I'm done, if I'm ever done. But so here's what we got to do. All this wire needs to be disconnected, fuel injectors, this hose, everything else could pretty much stay, this hose, fuel line, and then this whole piece comes off. You just take the bolts off here, take the bolts off there, and I'll use the crane up there to lift it up and off. And I won't lose any water or anything stupid like that. Don't have to drain any fluids. So it's kind of a big help by design. But I'll get it all apart, show you what it looks like. Throw the clutch in there, put it back together. Right, so we got it done. Lots of troubles. Had to do it twice. Never mind the bullshit, you probably wouldn't be interested because I fucked it up the first time, put it back together again. But it's done. I went for a test drive, the clutch isn't slipping. I really gave her hell, kind of scared the fuck out of me, but you know, it's back together, and we'll go for a ride home on the freeway and make sure that third and fourth gear aren't slipping. Should be good. We're about to find out, so on the way home last night, when I first got on the freeway, the clutch was slipping. But I was just hammering into it to see what it would do. Then it seems like it either broke in or warmed up or whatever, and it was sticking pretty goddamn good. The dyno wants me in third gear, and he keeps telling me to like punch it, but I think this time, you know, I'll just ease into it and let her get up there slow. No rush. I am paying by the hour. It's my dime, so we'll work it that way. And he wasn't really telling me to do that. It just seemed like he just, you know, go, and you go. And so it's looking pretty good in that respect. But Ryan's going to come over. His sandrail's finally finished. We need to do some tuning. It's always been a piece of shit when it came to tuning it in, even when Daryl had it before him. So he's going to bring it over today. We got time. I'm at home. We can relax. I got the right jets in the carburetor, so that shouldn't be an issue. Just doesn't want to run right, falls on its face, yada yada yada. So we're going to give her hell, see if we can at least get it to where he can drive around, go have fun, and then maybe we'll have to figure a different carburetor. I'm pretty sure the intake's just fucking stupid as fuck. I'll show it to you later. It's just the most fucked intake in the world. If anybody knows anything about tuning these things in, you can let me know, because it just ain't fucking happening. Beautiful day today. Look at this shit. sun just fucking hammering down. Beautiful out. Oh, this thing needs a fucking lot of help. Maybe one day we'll do Project Santa Gay. It's already got the vet wheels. I mean, look at those fuckers, right? It's ready to go. I was thinking about putting, getting another set of back wheels for it and putting it on the front, because the front are kind of small. And I did see there's a YouTube channel where the guy turbos these fucking Hyundais, so there's got to be parts for them. So maybe once the sandrail's done and I get some dyno numbers on that, and then we're good on that, that'll last forever. Not sure if I want to even really soup up the vet. Has lots of power, does burnouts, sounds awesome, looks amazing, I mean, with those fucking wheels. So that's probably not going to do a lot to that other than repair it when it needs it. It does need a ECU, so I'll throw that in. It doesn't take long, it just costs money. But yeah, so I'm going to clean up the garage, and when Ryan gets here we'll go over his rail and I'll show you what we did to that, and if we get it running right I'll show you that too. So see you in a bit. Another one, you stripped them all out, Daryl.
Take this off. We're taking this new one straight into it the way it was on.
We're not doing anything. You said you've been driving this thing for fucking 3 years and it never ran right.
Bullshit.
It never ran right.
I'm telling you.
Something you guys, you and all those guys up there missed.
Nope.
But yeah, we need to fix everything so it's right. All the fuel switches and all that crap.
That one fill pump straight to the car is how it ran best. This is my old shit. This was not on the car.
Quiet down, Daryl.
When I fucking...
This is Ryan, what is it? Ryan r-spec sandrail. It's got a VW water-cooled Rabbit motor that's supposedly all built up and stupid. But we fixed all the, well, they fixed all the bearings and the wheels and shit, so it's a line, it goes straight down the road. Need to do a little something with the fuel system to make sure it's not overflowing the carburetor and shit, because Ryan put 2 fuel pumps on. 2's not always better than 1. But it's a good looking rail. When we get it straightened out, he's going to have a lot of fun in it. So hopefully everything goes right today. I don't expect to get it running perfect because the carburetors are all been chewed up and shit, but at least we'll get something going, and when we get it running, we'll go for a ride. What are you doing, Daryl? Okay. Born to rock.
We know each other or something. You got 3 of them, not one with the shit.
Why is it so dark over here?
We're gonna build you a seat in the back.
Think? Did you get that off? Oh yeah, it looks all nice and clean now. Still might want to put a regulator in it later.
Build John a seat in the back.
And a filter.
So the carburetors were all fucked up, stripped out screws, all kinds of shit. He had 3 of them, and Daryl likes to over tighten everything, so it's fucked. VW Dave's coming to bring some carburetor parts over, aka Stoner Face Head Dave. So we get the other piece and get it put on. Maybe I'll show some of that, and then we'll get this fucking thing running finally.
Yeah, I got these too. I know you know these. The Golani pre-rolls.
That's a pre-roll?
Why the fuck are you recording me, big weed? Fuck off.
Oh, does everybody.
Here, let me show you how to do this shit the right way. You take this bolt right here, you drop it right down that fucking intake right there like that, see?
It'd be just like that one you sold to Steve.
No, see, I didn't have the pleasure of dropping that washer in there. That was all Sean.
Yep. Alright, well, we're going to take 5 of these carburetors and make one. Because Daryl's got fucking gorilla hands.
Now, what'd you do? You stripped out the fucking...
Everything.
What was it?
One,
Damn, bro.
yeah, he mutilated all 3.
No.
Not squirting very well. There it goes. Yeah, give that hell. Keep going. Need to hook up the vacuum advance and open the door.
Yep.
Oh.
Told you to get it running.
Got it running. High as hell now, but it's running. Make a few adjustments. I'm gonna adjust the timing and shit too. Hook it all up. Better angle for your dangle. Look what you're doing to my neighbors. She's cussing at you. Pretty sure she flipped the bird. Well, that's it. It kind of sort of runs. Still kind of shitty, just like when Daryl had it, but we're going to try a new distributor later. For now, he can drive it around and get it registered and all that crazy shit. Give her hell! Full pull! Oh, you fucked her. You're clear. Yeah!
Boom into the fucking bed of the truck.
Like a man.
That thing sounds a lot better. What'd you do to it?
Learning how to drive it
Don't forget to shut the fuel off.
with a fucked up distributor.
Yeah, put points back in it because this is an electronic fuel injected motor. And that's what it's doing. It's not reading right. You're right. If you put points in, I'll bet it's fucking right.
No, that's the aftermarket cheap ass $35 fucking electronic transmission. The only reason I know that is because I sold it to him.
I know. He's got points too. I gave him fucking so much shit for that thing. I'm the one that had 10 grand in it.
You got points with that?
He's got everything.
Oh, he's got it?
Yep.
Where's the points, Ryan?
Brand new points.
At the house? What good do they do at the house? Nothing. Yeah. They're not going anywhere.
He's got the points.
Alright, well there it goes. All buttoned up for now. At least he's got something to drive. We didn't let him down. 6 carburetors and 4 hours later we're good to go. So maybe we'll go on a ride tomorrow or something. You never know.